Just the screams alone tell you what this ride's like. Hello world, it's your Unkle Heavy. Today I'm on location in Santa Claus, Indiana. This all behind me is Holiday World. We were in the neighborhood, we've got like 3 hours left in the day, and we figured, the heck with it, let's come give it a try. So, taking you all along to check out this park. Already got our tickets. Let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Do come along. Out here in the country and Holiday World, next exit. Oh, yep, this must be the place. This is Holiday World. I see a roller coaster. Well, there's our rental car and there's the lot. At least so far we got a good parking spot. There's the Holiday World water tower. So here we are. It's like 4:15. The park closes at 7:30. We're not sure if we're going to be able to actually get in. But if we can't get in, this will never be a vlog anyway, so you won't see it. So we're gonna go try. All right, we did it. We said what the heck, and we paid full admission price for 3 hours, because when is the next time we're gonna be here? All right, we gotta get the selfie with Santa here. That's all right, we're both squinting, but look, Santa, we're in Holiday World. So what I know about this amusement park is that it's broken up into holiday sections. Coming up here, this looks like 4th of July World. I guess this is 4th of July World. Looks like they've got one of these antique car rides. Yes, we're on the merry-go-round again. Riding the merry-go-round again. Yeah, they've got one of those drop towers. Not today. Bushes are all decorated nice and spooky here. Interesting thing about Holiday World, they have free Pepsi products for you to have while you're here. Like most amusement parks these days, they have a strict policy of no photography, no videography on the ride. So you're gonna just get me and Michelle walking around the park. That being said, I found one of the rides we actually can film on.
Good evening and welcome to Hot Dogs Halloween Express. My name is Steven and I'll be your train director as we journey through Mother Golden to visit some hot dog spooky friends.
So yeah, we're riding the Holly Dog train ride.
Peter Drago Learner Eater had a wife named Cody Cooper. He put her on Hungry Show, very kept her very well. Here we see Little Miss Spider and the scary girl who fried no away. Oh, Miss Square Caricature, how does your garden grow with poison seeds and wicked weeds and skeletons all in a row? Spider said, what a spectacular time. Tom, the piper son, saw a pumpkin and away he ran. The great golden pumpkin.
Got a couple huge jack-o'-lanterns here. Having some fun here today, I gotta tell you. Okay, we're entering the Thanksgiving world now. I think we're gonna get dinner here. There's an awesome roller coaster. Yeah, we're definitely gonna ride that later. If only I could bring the camera on that. Yeah, this is it. It's the Plymouth Rock Cafe. We're gonna go get our Thanksgiving on. This is what's for dinner. It's Thanksgiving. I'm gonna get the giant turkey leg meal. This is what's for dinner if you're gonna have Thanksgiving World. Got turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes and gravy. Oh, and a cornbread roll. It's Thanksgiving already. When you come to Holiday World, get the turkey dinner. It's worth it. I think we're gonna do this ride, Gobbler Getaway. It's kind of like Ghost Blasters, but not quite as spooky. Can't quite hear what she's saying, but she's explaining about the turkey call and what's going to happen. Yeah, I think this is where she explains what we're going to be doing, but they've got her dialogue turned down really quiet. Here's a little preview of what's going on here. Kind of looks like a good old-fashioned black light dark ride with shooting targets. Kind of like Ghost Blasters. Where's the targets? Oh, we're going into the turkey farm now. Okay. Yeah, Michelle kicked my butt. She got 1110. I only got 690. So she's definitely the master turkey caller. And I wasn't even filming all that much, so I have no excuse. So I think we broke down another ride. We've been stuck here for quite a few minutes. We're like in between rooms here. I think that's the last scene. I always break rides, I don't know why. Looks like, so I am 690. I'm a beginner. I'm just another turkey. Oh, look at that shot right there. Look at that with the roller coaster silhouetting the setting sun. This is absolutely beautiful. The only thing would be better would be a roller coaster car coming down that track right about now. All right, night starting to fall here and we're running out of time, so I think we're gonna go do the swings ride now. So this would be the most appropriate land to be in given the time frame, Halloween, and I think we're gonna ride those hollow swings. And here we are, this is Hollow Swings. It's just a standard swing ride that's themed like Halloween. But we're gonna ride this next. Just the screams alone tell you what this ride's like. Yeah, we have to ride this next. This is the Legend roller coaster. I think this is for us. Once again, sorry, they don't let you take the cameras on the ride, but we're here. And this is it. And there they go. So that's the Legend. Oh my gosh, Michelle, was that crazy or what? That was a good ride. That was really a good old-fashioned wooden roller coaster. Got banged all over the place. It was just incredible. Hey, bring me back to my childhood. Awesome. In the complete dark, right? Michelle, it was completely dark?
Yeah, I thought my head was going to get knocked off because I couldn't tell in the traffic.
Totally, it was insane, especially being dark. It was just good ride. I haven't ridden a wooden roller coaster in years, so great time. Check it out if you come here. Oh look, they have Dole Whips here. I have to just stop and get this shot. Look at the size of this wooden roller coaster here. That is incredible. I can already tell my voice is getting hoarse from screaming on that roller coaster. But now we're going to wrap up the night with a drone show here at Holiday World. So this should be cool. Yep, it's called Halloween in the Sky. We're gonna check it out. Just kind of following the crowds here. I'm guessing this is where the show's going to be. All right. One last time. Let's do the time. This is our vacation. Waiting for a drone show.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, there they go over there.
Good evening. Welcome to the German American Bank Graveyard. I mean Party Plaza. As we fight up the night. For 400 drones will soon light up the sky with such precision, it's scary. A dance with the doomed. Sing along and help us conjure up a frightfully good show. And now, we invite you to hunker down, heighten your senses, look to the air, and be ready to haunt at every turn.
That's so cool.
Halloween in the sky!
So very cool. Nice. Very nice. So cool. I can't imagine how they engineer this. It's just incredible. Incredible. Look at how he's moving up there. It's like three-dimensional. It's so incredible. Jaws. Nice. Nice.
It's a shark.
Very cool. It's just so cool how it like moves in 3 dimensions. So amazing.
It's the
Little Monty Python. Oh, so cool. Look at that. Have to take a copyright hit on this because this music is really, really cool that goes with it. That's incredible.
Every game you play, nights you say I'll be watching you
Isn't technology just amazing? Very nice. Very, very nice. Perfect. Awesome. That was really cool. Check that out. That's just very cool. Now, like any good amusement park, end of the night, the exodus of trying to get to our car and get home. I'm not sure if I filmed us entering Christmas Land earlier today, so I'll just have to get it on the way out. This is Christmas Land. Oh, look at all these nice little Christmas lights they have going on here at night. Very Christmassy for October. You want to get that last night panoramic shot of the fountain and Christmas Land before we go. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned. I have much more adventures coming your way. Till next time, signing off from Santa Claus, Indiana. Bye-bye.